Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, a small SUV that's packing some major upgrades. If you're into sleek designs, cutting-edge tech, and eco-friendly options, stick around because this one's for you. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Tucson has undergone a bold redesign, featuring a more aggressive and futuristic aesthetic. The standout feature? Its parametric front grille. With its diamond-shaped ornaments creating a three-dimensional pattern, this grille is impossible to miss. And those T-shaped LED headlights? They're not just about style, they're sharper, longer, and improved visibility, giving the Tucson a modern, dynamic vibe. Moving to the rear, the taillights continue the contemporary theme. A horizontal light bar connects the two sections, adding to the SUV's sleek and spacious appearance. Overall, the new Tucson's design doesn't just turn heads, it's also aerodynamically efficient. Under the hood, Hyundai offers something for everyone. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering 187 horsepower and 241 Newton-meters of torque. If you're after better fuel economy, the hybrid option combines a 1.6-liter gas engine with an electric motor for a combined 227 horsepower. And for those who want to go green, there's even a plug-in hybrid option. Fuel efficiency ranges from 25 to 28 miles per gallon for the gas version to an impressive 40 to 50 miles per gallon for the hybrid and plug-in models, perfect for both city commutes and long highway drives. Inside, the Tucson doesn't skimp on comfort or tech. With advanced safety features, modern amenities, and plenty of space, it's designed to meet the needs of today's drivers. Pricing starts around $28,000 for the base model, but if you want all the bells and whistles, you're looking at over $40,000. So, what do you think about the 2026 Hyundai Tucson? Is it hitting the mark for you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.